Charging tips and tricks. If you've just received your sound capsule and it has low battery, don't worry. It's likely to have discharged sometime during storage and transit. We store the sound capsule without a full charge to maintain optimal battery health. Regardless, the first thing we recommend upon receiving your sound capsule is to charge it, using the provided USB-C cable and a compatible power adapter. Ensure your power adapter meets the minimum output requirements as seen on screen now. Information about your power adapter should be found on its certification label, which is usually printed somewhere on the power adapter itself. You may see this warning on the space recorder display if you are using a charger that does not meet the power requirements. When your sound capsule is charging, the charging case LED will pulse white. You will also see the charging case battery icon change to green on the space recorder display. If the LED is flashing orange, this means the charging case currently has low battery and is not currently charging. For fastest charging results, ensure the lid is closed during the charging process, as this will trigger the sound capsule to sleep. The sound capsule has a very large battery capacity, which means it has great battery life. However, because of this, it can take several hours to charge from empty. But if you're in a rush, for even faster charging, you can charge the space recorder separately using its dedicated USB-C port, allowing you to use two chargers simultaneously. We hope you found this video to be useful. Enjoy using your sound capsule.